I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Omnisend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Omnisend API console. Now click on Create API key. Give a meaningful name as you want. Then scroll down and click on Save. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Channels. Choose Email Status. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Omnisend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now let's go to the Omnisend. Here is the data that came into Omnisend through the integration. Thanks for watching.